Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capital One detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Capital One, which is www.capitalone.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields for entering your credentials. In the first field, type your email address or username associated with your account. In the second field, enter your password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, paying attention to capitalization and special characters. If you want the website to remember your login details, check the box labeled Remember Me. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button below the fields. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Capital One account. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link beneath the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can access all your banking services and account information. Should you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and try again. If problems persist, consider contacting Capital One customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.